We have our second cheerleading competition today. Hence the bright red nails. My first one, I was like, I'm not gonna videotape and do all this because it was very stressful. It still is, but at least now I feel like the first one I was just like, nerves. It's also St. Patrick's Day, so I am going to get ready and then actually meet with the other coach, Peyton, and we're getting lunch before, and then we have to drive to Providence, and then we have competition. I don't even know if I'm gonna videotape any part of it because I am kind of crazy and just a lot going on physically, mentally, emotionally. And then we're going out to celebrate St. Patrick's Day with a bunch of friends. So, yeah.
Surprise! What?
So, I haven't told you, but I am going on a trip. And it's a big one. I'm going to Europe for about 3 weeks. Alone! I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm not going completely alone. I'm meeting friends in some of the different countries that I'm going to. But yeah, I've always wanted to do this. I've always been too afraid to do it. We're just ripping the Band-Aid off and we're doing it. If you can't tell, the nervous excitement is real. I leave in less than a week, so stay tuned for my packing because I am only doing carry-on. So there's gonna be a lot of repeat outfits and mix matching. And we're doing it. I also, usually for my travel videos, I just make one travel video, but I kind of want to do different videos of different places, but who knows what it will entail. But yeah, so stay tuned because I will go through everything that I'm packing, how I'm packing, all my different ideas. I'll explain to you more of where I'm going, when I'm going, how I'm going. So here we go. We're doing it. So make sure that you follow along because this is, everyone keeps saying, once in a lifetime experience. I have a feeling that after this, I'm going to want to keep doing trips like this alone and long and far because I've always wanted to. So we're doing it. We're living our best life. We're gonna be broke and chunky by the time we come home because I can't wait to just eat everything everywhere. So stay tuned. Also, if you have like any tips or tricks on the whole traveling solo, I follow a lot of like vloggers, bloggers, all the influence nation of female traveling, solo traveling, traveling in general. So I am pretty up to date on my things, but I love feedback. So here we go, people.